Welcome to JH. There is a product known as AAFQ GLP oral solution, or simply AAFQ GLP drops. It is marketed as an organic liquid supplement designed to assist with weight reduction, glucose management, cardiovascular health, insomnia, and joint discomfort. While it promises a wide range of benefits, a closer look reveals several concerning details. For instance, the marketing suggests you can drop 33 pounds in 8 weeks and over 100 pounds in 16 weeks without altering your eating habits or working out. Such claims are major warning signs. Medical professionals generally agree that sustainable weight loss is roughly 1 to 2 pounds weekly. Therefore, these extreme promises are likely unrealistic. Furthermore, the product asserts it is FDA approved, which is quite deceptive. The FDA does not grant approval for dietary supplements, and this specific item is absent from their official records. Such assertions are misleading to consumers. The supplement also tries to link itself to legitimate prescription drugs like Ozempic or Wegovy, which are actual GLP-1 medications for diabetes and weight control. It claims to replicate these effects naturally without any adverse reactions, yet there is no verified scientific data to support this. Essentially, it is promoted as a universal remedy for everything from obesity and diabetes to arthritis and mental health issues. This cure-all strategy is a significant red flag, as genuine medical treatments do not function this way. Always exercise caution. If a product makes massive claims without evidence, pause and conduct your own investigation. Most importantly, consult a medical professional before starting any new supplement.